Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Treadmill desk, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Treadmill desk, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Treadmill desk from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. UREVO Walking Pad Treadmill with Adjustable Walking Pad with Handlebar Folding Treadmill Desk. The UREVO Walking Pad Treadmill with an adjustable desk is the perfect solution for combining fitness and productivity. This innovative treadmill features a sleek foldable design allowing for easy storage in small spaces. With an adjustable desk that ranges from 35.5 to 47.3 inches, it's suitable for users of all heights, making it ideal for both work and exercise. The UREVO Foldy 3S treadmill includes a 9% auto-incline feature, helping you enhance workout intensity and burn more calories. The integrated Smart Coach app connects to the treadmill, offering a virtual city experience and various challenge modes to make your exercise routine more engaging. Whether you're working from home or using it for fitness, the treadmill's intuitive control panel allows easy adjustment of speed and incline while tracking your workout progress. Stay active and productive with this compact, high-performance treadmill designed for modern lifestyles, perfect for apartments, home offices, and small spaces. Number 2. FUNMILY Treadmill with Desk Workstation and Adjustable Height. 2.5 horsepower walking pad with desktop for home office. The FUNMILY treadmill with desk workstation is the perfect solution for combining work and fitness. This innovative walking pad features an adjustable height desk ranging from 33.5 to 49.9 inches to suit adults and children. The spacious 26.2-inch into 13-inch desktop allows you to place your laptop, books, or snacks so you can stay productive while getting your steps in. Powered by a 2.5 horsepower motor, the treadmill offers a speed range of 0.6 to 7.5 miles per hour and operates quietly, ensuring you can work out at any time without disturbing others. With a 7-layer shock-absorbing running belt and 3 adjustable incline levels, it provides a smooth, injury-free workout experience. The treadmill also includes a multi-function LCD display to track time, speed, distance, and calories, plus Bluetooth music and FitShow app compatibility. Easy to assemble, foldable, and equipped with a kids mode for safety, the FUNMILY treadmill is the ideal choice for home offices and small spaces. Number 3. Lysole Walking Pad Treadmill with Incline Large LED Display. Portable under desk for home and office, the Lysole Walking Pad Treadmill is the perfect compact solution for home and office use, designed to keep you active while working or relaxing. Featuring an adjustable 5-degree incline, this treadmill simulates a mountaineering experience to effectively target your buttocks and leg muscles. With a speed range of 0.6 to 6.2 miles per hour, it allows you to customize your workout intensity. Powered by a quiet 2.5 horsepower motor, it operates at under 45 decibels, ensuring a peaceful environment. The large LED display provides real-time tracking of speed, distance, time, and calories burned, while the smart remote control lets you easily adjust the settings. The treadmill's spacious 16.54-inch into 40-inch running surface, combined with a non-slip belt and shock reduction system, ensures a smooth and stable running experience. This 4-in-1 portable walking pad is foldable and comes with transport wheels, making it easy to store and move under a desk, bed, or sofa. Ideal for anyone looking to stay fit with limited space. Number 4. Maksone Under Desk Treadmill. Expert of Wooden Walking Pad, Walking Jogging Machine. The Maksone Underdesk Treadmill is the perfect solution for staying active while working at home or in the office. Featuring a powerful 2.25 horsepower quiet motor, this treadmill can support up to 265 lps and operates silently, ensuring a peaceful environment. The LED display lets you easily track speed, distance, time, and calories, while the remote control offers simple speed adjustments. With a speed range of 0.5 to 6 km/h, it's ideal for light walking or jogging based on your fitness level. The treadmill's 16.54-inch into 41.34 inches non-slip running belt and shock reduction system Provide a safe and stable workout. Designed to be space-saving, it comes fully assembled and can be stored under a sofa or bed with its transport wheels. Plus, with 12 available programs, you can easily customize your workouts to improve cardiovascular fitness, burn fat, and stay in shape. The Maksone treadmill combines convenience, comfort, and performance in one compact machine. Number 5. Sperax Walking Vibration Pad Low Noise Treadmill Pad with Remote Control for Home Office. The Sperax Walking Vibration Pad is a versatile and compact fitness solution for home and office use. This multifunctional walking pad combines walking, under-desk running, and vibration modes for a full-body workout experience. It features a 2.5 horsepower servo motor that supports speeds from 0.2 to 3.8 miles per hour, ideal for low-impact walking or jogging, and can handle up to 350. With a quiet operation under 45 decibel, you can work out without disturbing others. The LED display and Sperax Fitness app allow you to monitor real-time metrics like calories burned, speed, time, and distance, giving you complete control over your fitness progress. After your workout, enjoy a 5-minute vibration massage to relax your muscles, with 4 adjustable vibration intensity levels designed to boost circulation and reduce fatigue. Weighing only 26 pounds, this treadmill is space-saving and easy to move, making it perfect for any home or office setup. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.